This is a series of quantum commands to break the demonic strongholds held over, under, and around New Zealand and its people. I'm just going to clear this communication so that all who are listening will be safe. Source, take control. This communication, transmute all interdimensional interference and residual energies. Send to ether, true, source, true. This communication, all IIs and REs, false, false, false. This communication, true, source, true. Align the space and time grids, true, source, true. Align the light and sound grids, true, source, true. Align the magnetic and electrical grids, true, source, true. Align the masculine and feminine grids, true, source, true. Switch polarity of space and time and align and synchronize all grids, true, source, true. New Zealand justice grids, universe of Horus. Rebuke, bind, and cast out the universe of Horus, all interdimensional interference and residual energies. Transmute and send to ether, true, source, true. Universe of Horus, all IIs and REs, false, false, false. New Zealand justice grids. Round up all the demonic generals under the principality of Horus, who believe they have dominion over New Zealand and the current New Zealand government. Rebuke, bind, and cast them out. Transmute and send them all to ether, true, source, true. Demonic generals, false, false, false. New Zealand justice grids. Neutralize all the stargates, wormholes and portals in, around, under and over New Zealand. True, source, true. Stargates, wormholes and portals in, around, under and over New Zealand. False, false, false. The goodly, godly people of New Zealand now take full dominion over all portals, wormholes and stargates. True, source, true. New Zealand justice grids. Transmute the 9-circle satanic cult, all cults, occult rituals, covenants, vows, soul contracts, sacrifice, torture, slavery, warlock spells, curses, hexes and spells, emerald tablets, black magic, hacks, artificial intelligence, alien black goo consciousness, nanobots, transhuman technology, agendas, agreements and agreements of entrapment, and all negative and evil intent, hereby referred to as slavery. Send to ether, true, source, true. New Zealand justice grids, slavery, false, false, false. New Zealand justice grids. Transmute all evil intent within the current Labour government, government agencies, controlled media, medical and scientific professionals, military and police force, businesses and communities who are under the satanic dream spell, and send to ether, true, source, true. New Zealand justice grids, all evil intent, false, false, false. New Zealand justice grids. Rebuke, bind and cast out the universe of Satan, the mothers of darkness and all principalities. Transmute and send to ether, true, source, true. Universe of Satan, the mothers of darkness and all principalities. False, false, false. Evil at its highest level is now cut off, severed, and locked out of New Zealand, and all evil intent is dissolved, collapsing the dream spell, awakening all to sovereignty, liberty, and joy. True, Source true. New Zealand justice grids rebuke, bind, and cast out the spell related to the Certificate of Vaccination ID, to include all propaganda, posters, tracer apps, music, ads, announcements, all fake media and fake news, hereby referred to as COVID. Transmute and send to ether. True, source true. COVID. False, false, false. New Zealand justice grids rebuke, bind, and cast out all harmful subliminal messages and magic sigils deceptively installed on the New Zealand public. Transmute and send to ether. True. Source true. All harmful subliminal messages and magic sigils. False, false, false. New Zealand justice grids transmute all fear into self-trust. True, source true. Fear, false, false, false. Self-trust, true, source true. New Zealand justice grids preserve the DNA and RNA of New Zealand and its inhabitants to the blueprint originally intended by Source. True, source true. New Zealand justice grids. Health sovereignty for the children and families of New Zealand. True, source true. Calling forth the values of decency and unity amongst all the people of New Zealand. True, source true. New Zealand justice grids. True, source true. New Zealand justice grids fill all voids with source heart resonance. True, source true. New Zealand justice grids add vortex of ruthenium for protection. True, source true. New Zealand justice grids add virtue's dodecahedron structure for protection. True, source true. Here is a future affirmation. Please read this out as often as you can. All inhabitants of New Zealand, we live our lives in unity consciousness as free will beings. We have full sovereignty over our land, air, and water, our food, our minds, and our bodies. True, source true. We ask that this quantum healing be applied to all the timelines, all the lineages, throughout space-time of the source of all involved, and to be aligned and updated, including the Akashic records and the planetary grids. True, source true. On behalf of quantum co-creators, we thank the mind, body, and spirit of all listeners. We thank Divine Source. Thank you, thank you, thank you.